What's your name?
Anthony Edwards, a.k.a. Ant-Man. Your favorite Hooper's favorite Hooper.
Good. With all this new talent joining the league, are you worried someone's going to take your place?
These new guys are good. Really good.
Is that your final answer?
Maybe they'll take my spot.
You were in the MVP chatter last year. Did that bother you?
It don't matter who's on the floor. I'm the #1 option. We all know who the top dog is.
You sure about that? Oh, wow. Yeah, I believe that.
It's believe that.
In the club with someone, and I'm high down. Shawty got me out too high. I be standing on the beach.